Bright, you fell over. Can you stand up again?
Can you help me?
Okay. Bright, be serious. Be serious. Walk towards your stuff.
Did you say go?
Yeah, go.
Pick up.
Put your shirt down, Bright.
Bright, put your shirt down. Shirt down.
Hands on your side.
Like this.
Stop jumping.
Yeah, hold still, okay? Don't move.
Don't.
Don't move.
Gosh. Oh, ah! Bright, let go, hey. Lucy.
Okay, good.
We're so secret funny.
Okay, let's growl. Don't blink.
Don't blink. Go like this. Watch mommy's eyes for a second.